In front of me is CUBOT King Kong X, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and tapping on Photos or Collections at the bottom. Either way, when you're ready, hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of and use those dots at the top right corners to select multiple. To keep some, click on them, and to delete the rest, use Delete button at the bottom of Photos section or at the top of Collections one. Then hit OK and move to Bin. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!